Alright guys, this is one of the longest no-handed bike rides in forever. He's using a girl bike, I'm using my bike. But like what I'm going to be doing, like I'm not going to be holding on to my handles or anything. This is technically a mile from the back of my road to the front of it, so I'm going to try to record this as much as I can. But I will have to get a start up with my hands, so let's go. Last one I started all the way up there, and sometimes I will need to change my gear so I can go faster. Bro, stop. Get behind me so I don't crash. But this is one of the hardest things to do because you're going so fast with no hands. And now I have to go down a huge hill. I started all the way up here last time, so let me change my gear real fast. Fix my speed a little. This hill is huge. Oh jeez. Oh, I just almost crashed. Okay, that was the slower part, but let's go. If you hear any noises, from my bike because something's messed up in it. This is so hard to do. My neighbor's over there someday. Longest. This is so hard. Because on my road there's like so many hills and stuff. My house is all the way back there somewhere. My neighbors, they're building their house. 2 minutes, 22 seconds. Yeah, like I said, they're building their house. There's my other neighbors that just got done building theirs like not too long ago. Right there. But still no hands. Using both of my hands to do everything on my phones. I just almost dropped the phone. Oh my gosh. Then the road's like up there somewhere. Yeah, right there. I'm going so fast right now. 2 minutes, 54 seconds. If I can do this in under 5 minutes. 3 minutes, 1 second. Oh, that was a bump in the road. Close to it, close to it. If I can finish this before 4 minutes. It's right there. I will need my hand to use the brake, so hand here and here. It's right there, it's right there, right there, right there. Using the brake, I did it. 3 minutes, 32 seconds. Finished 1 mile. No hands. There's weird cousin up there. Well, I'll see y'all again whenever I do this in under 3 minutes, so bye.